Real quick, we got a fresh new video for you today. What we're going to be covering is we got this gas smell in the car. I want to show you how we're going to clean that real quick and show you what we're going to be using for our products and stuff like that. So let's get to this video. Watch it fully through. Let's go. So we got our shop vac right here that we're going to be using to clean it up. And we got a spray that we made. This is just a bottle that we're using. And the spot that we'll be cleaning is the passenger side on the floorboard. We got to clean this. And then after that, we're going to spray this down with our soap. I'm going to set you up real quick and we can go from there. Yo, here, get some. All right, y'all, now that this is all cleaned up, we're going to spray just a little bit just to get it damp. We're not going to just, douse the whole thing in water. And all right, that's a little damp, hands wet and stuff. We're going to turn this on, vacuum real quick, see if we can get the gas smell up in the fuel. It's looking good already. The smell ain't even there for real, so we still